Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to get free shipping on Alibaba. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Alibaba account or your application, which of course I've done right here. Next one is where exactly can you get the Alibaba application on from. Now you can get it on Google Play Store or you can get it on Apple Store. Now that's depending on the device that you use. Launch any of those applications, locate the search bar. In the search bar, type Alibaba and follow through with the on-screen instructions to install. After installing, the application is going to take you right into the sign-up window where you're going to be asked to either log in or to create an entirely new account. Now, whichever one you choose, once you sign in successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time on Alibaba. So now, again, let's quickly hop into today's text, and that is how to get free shipping on Alibaba. Everybody loves the sound of free things, and I particularly love the sound of free shipping because let's say you're trying to order a product and you check the shipping fee is ridiculously high, and at that point you're like, what am I going to do? This is how you can get free shipping. Now the first thing we're going to ask ourselves is it possible for you to get free shipping on Alibaba? No. You really cannot get free shipping on Alibaba, but you can get shipping at a highly discounted rate. That's depending on the shipping agent that you use to place your order. I'm not sure any shipping agents can afford you free shipping on Alibaba, but you can definitely make your research and of course get your options right. Now, how can you get the shipping agents on Alibaba? So at the top corner of your screen, you're going to find the search bar. In the search bar, we're going to just type something simple. That's shipping agent. Punch the search bar, and that's going to take you right here. We have all of your shipping agents. So this is AIMICH sourcing agents in China. You have hot selling, CSC certified. You have dollar store. You have a lot of stores in here. So let's say I'm using this. So open up that agent and you have all of the information about this agent. Shipping to be negotiated, contact supplier, and okay, these are photos. Okay, so go the way back. Verified supplier. So click on verified supplier. Okay, so these are all the suppliers right here. So shipping agents, not products. You have a verified supplier, you have suppliers, you have source by region. So you can head over to at the top corner, you can click on suppliers, or you can just head over to verified supplier and see all the suppliers there. So let's say I want to use this as Amazon. So click on that. Now you have all the so you have the Amazon FBA inspection service. You're going to see the price for shipping. All right, and you also have this option to send inquiries. So this is it. So you have the verified supplier. This particular supplier, you can check the company profile in here, and you can check more products for that. You can see how much they are charging for shipping fee or what have you. Now the next thing for you to contact the supplier is to click on the send inquiry. So click on send inquiry and contact the supplier. Let the supplier know that you're interested in the product and you'd like to know if you can get free shipping, and then they're going to let you know. So this is what is the shipping cost, but I can say, is it possible for me to get free shipping, and click on send, and they're going to get back to you using your email. So I'm just going to click on yes for me to get lost. So this is it. So this is the supplier. Now you can send a message to this person and let the person know that you want free shipping. If you can get the free shipping, that's up to you. So this is pretty much the process. Now you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.